Hello student, welcome to chemistry class lecture. Today we discuss chapter 3 in which we discuss electron gain enthalpy. Okay, so this periodic property, uh, before discussing this property, let we discuss two terms. One is exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Okay, so what is exothermic and what is endothermic? So exothermic reaction means a reaction in which or process in which energy is released. Okay, so this energy may be in form of heat or any other form of energy. Okay, so whenever the energy is evolved during the course of reaction or process, then such type of reaction or process is known as exothermic reaction. Now second is endothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction are the reaction in which the energy is required to proceed any process or chemical reaction. For example, if we want to cook food, then we have to apply heat. Okay, so this process is endothermic. Why? Because we have to apply external energy, okay, to start the process or to complete the process. So now we discuss electron gain enthalpy. So electron gain enthalpy is the energy that evolved or required to add an electron to the atom. Okay, अगर किसी एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड करना हो और जो एनर्जी चाहिए उस एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी कहते हैं. ओके, सो वो डिपेंड करता है, कुछ एलिमेंट है उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड करने से एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है, मीन्स उसकी डेल्टा एच वैल्यू नेगेटिव है. और कुछ ऐसे भी एटम है जिसमें ऐड इलेक्ट्रॉन करने के लिए हमें एनर्जी अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी, मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा एच इज पॉजिटिव. ओके, दैट इज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. So let we discuss which element shows endothermic reaction and which element shows exothermic reaction. Okay, so as we know that whenever the electron means orbital p, d and f are completely filled or half filled, means p3, d5, f7 are half filled and p6, d10 and f14 are full filled. So whenever orbital this orbital are half filled or completely filled, then they are in stable state. Okay, so let we discuss general electronic configuration of 17 group element. It is nh2 and p5. Okay, so we know whenever the 17 group element except one electron, okay, the electronic configuration become nh2 and p6. So here stable electronic configuration is achieved by 17 group element. Okay, so in this process the energy is released. Why? Because after adding one electron, the 17 group element becomes stable, get stable electronic configuration. Okay, so in this case energy is release, therefore the value of delta H is negative and this process is exothermic. Okay, same for alkali group metal, the electronic configuration is ns1. Okay, so we know whenever a electron is added to this, it become ns2. Okay, so ns2 is a stable electronic configuration and therefore the alkali metal, that is sodium, potassium, rubidium, francium and cesium, having ns1 electron, and whenever we add electron to these atoms they release energy and therefore it shows exothermic process. Okay, but let me discuss about zero group element. Okay, so the general electronic configuration of helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, that is 18 group element, is nh2 and p6. So it is stable electronic configuration. So whenever we add electron, the stable electronic configuration disturb. So ये खुद ही स्टेबल है, अगर हम इलेक्ट्रॉन देंगे तो वह अनस्टेबल हो जाएंगे। सो अगर हम उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो हमें एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी देनी पड़ेगी, मीन्स द डेल्टा एच वैल्यू फॉर दिस ग्रुप इज पॉजिटिव, and the reason is if we add electron, the electronic configuration of these atoms becomes unstable. Okay, so remember this trend that here electronic configuration is stable. Okay, so it achieve stable electronic configuration, it achieve stable electronic configuration. Therefore the electron gain enthalpy for this 16 group element also negative. Okay, same for 17 and first group. So you have to remember this thing. Okay, MCQ or short question may be asked. Okay, that's all for today. We discuss next topic in next lecture.